The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall!
Sir, I don't want to be recorded. I don't understand. Can I pull out my phone to that? Okay, let's do this together.
So you're a medical doctor practicing where?
Please take off that.
I
I don't want that. I can explain myself. So, I don't understand what was going on. I sold these things to them because the company sold it to me.
Which company is that?
Mission Sanitation.
Where are they located?
In Trinidad.
What do you think? Guyana?
Yes, they got this stuff. So
I'll-
Manil, we don't need
I'll
that.
have
There's
to take
better
it to
than that.
Sweden.
No.
Okay, let's go.
No, you told me that you were from India first. Then you told me you were from Trinidad, and then you told me that you were from a country in the Middle East.
So I'm from
You told me you were from a country in the Middle East, right? This is not a personal issue. This is not when you're putting the entire country and the community at risk for COVID when you're selling people fake stuff. These things are fake.
Why are you here?
Because he called me.
Why?
Because he said this
You
is
came here to do what?
refund you.
Refund me, and to all the other people that you said you were going to refund to. The guy at the shop here too, right? Yes.
Sir, no, I'm not doing anything wrong here.
I don't want that to happen. You cannot put people's life in danger by selling people sanitizers and those things that are totally not right. This here, smell it for yourself. So open it and smell it for yourself.
So I didn't
You
do
open it
that.
and smell it for yourself.
So I didn't do that.
Right? Open it and you brought security detail all of a sudden? No. She said, she just said security
I didn't
detail.
understand what was happening. I'm ready to refund because I
Here,
didn't
here,
know
what
what's
we're
going
gonna
on.
do. Right? So I'm gonna take over from here.
So I don't want to go alone. I want some protection also. I don't know
We
what's
help police,
happening.
you know, protect.
Where are you from? Which part of the Middle East are you from? Which part of the Middle East? Huh? You from Dubai?
Sir, I don't want to go in this way, but we can go.
You're from Dubai.
Sir, there's no
And you're selling to communities these fake things.
Sir, I didn't make them. I don't know about them.
You made cause two ministries to contemplate, and one even bought a big bottle for $15,000.
Sir, it's my company. It's not me.
It's your company, it's not
It's
you.
not my company. I'm not the sole owner of the company. I can assure you that.
But why then did you convince me? You even showed me a bottle that had a cover. And when I opened these two here, the same Clorox bottle from right in the back of the black BMW that you were driving.
So
Why would you
so
do
why
that?
Are you giving my information about my vehicle? That's putting my life at risk.
You put it however you want to put it. You put an entire community and a lot of the country at risk by selling fake things that people are supposed to be sanitizing against COVID. And that is what you will do to us? That is what you will do to us? That is what you will do to us. Right? Yes, that is what you will do to us. That is not fair. Because poor people who can't afford anything trying to buy stuff to sanitize, and you sold everything for 5,000 and up.
Sir, I'm an immigrant, sir.
No, you have to go in the police vehicle. The police has a right to arrest you.
Arrest me for what? I didn't do anything wrong.
Nope, you sold to a lot of people.
No, I did not.
You
do
did.
that.
You
I
did.
not.
You did. Where's my evidence, Wente? What Queen, see there? Yes. I'm looking after national interests here, and you put our entire community, because we're taking care of our community, and you set us up. You're a wicked woman. You set up our entire community by selling us nonsense, knowing damn well that it is not true. You did that to us. You set up my entire community. If anybody in this community catch COVID, you are in problems. You are wicked, and you lied about where you were from too. You lied about it.
I am a foreigner.
You lied about it. You said you were from India, then you were from Trinidad, then you were from Middle East, now you're from Dubai. And my stuff that I bought, I spoke to you about it. You're begging me to take it off of Facebook. That's not right. That's not right. Where do I come here? From down to breakdown, I'm coming now. I'm coming now. That is called robbery with violence and setting up an entire nation to suffer from COVID. You, COVID is you're going to do to us. COVID is a serious situation in Ghana. That's what you're going to do.
I know who it is.
You're a doctor.
Relax
You said that you relax myself, you're going to jail. So she came to bring back the money, and she came with this vehicle here. She said it's her security detail, and the man came out of the vehicle. The man came out of the vehicle to pay me, and I told him I don't want him to pay me. But I called the police first to make sure. Right? Yes. 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 I'm heading to Brickdam now, folks. I'm heading to Brickdam. Drop me to Brickdam. Drop me to Brickdam. The police got it. They're gonna exchange it. I know they don't get film photos taken, everything. Yes, folks. Look, she come right here, and sell all of us for this shop here and all, for we look after the children in this community. This thing here we set up, Quincy, he set it up for the children of the community. He buy it from somebody else, and I convinced him because she's a medical doctor that is young, and you know, and so we decided to support her. She's a convict, right? She says, then she tell the police just now, I'm not a medical doctor, I'm still in medical school, right? At Texila. That's what she did. Yes. Good. Let me go along. Let me go along. Let me go. Drop at the Breakdown police station. Folks, how are you doing? I'm fine. She came in a black BMW and sold our entire community stuff. Bleach, Lysol, spray, and the disinfectant. She sold the contractor also. Once all them suits which she sell the contractor, bust up. Them plastic suits, them yellow suits that she said will protect them if they're going to clean out places with COVID. Let's go to the police station. I shall catch you guys back in a few minutes. It will not happen to my community, and it will not happen to Guyana. Not under my watch. Not under my watch. And then she was so dishonest. She said, you remember we talking to her on the phone, and she said, where are you from? I am a medical doctor. I practice at GPHC. Find out she never practiced at GPHC. Right? This place hot bad. Yeah. Yeah. We're going to Brickdam. Yes. I'll lose out on money for cooking my food and so on. Food they're selling home. Yeah, going quick. Y'all would believe this? And she said, I'm coming to pay you back your money. I'm coming to pay you back. How much is it? Whatever it is, I will pay it. And then she accent changed from Guyanese to Canadian to Indian, Middle Eastern. She could fake accents good. And when she came, her little brother was very quiet in the car, and I was like, he's very quiet, right? Yeah. She plays, she's a con artist. When I asked her, I said, how come you sell us these bottle of things for $15,000 and I sell the twins manufacturing for $5,000? She said, I got it from India and I paid $10,000 for one. She paid $10,000 for one. You hear? And so she sold to us for $15,000. And she came saying to me, I was sorry for her, because I think she's really working as an individual to help people that can be exposed to COVID. I probably don't get exposed because of she. I don't know if she now got COVID, but we're gonna find out. We're going to the police station. They can't do that to us. Not my community. Wrong location. And then not my workplace either. Wrong location. Right? And she had a bodybuilder with her.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, you see, if what that man had said in the video is true, if everything that man in the video had said is true about what he had said about that woman or that female, then viewers and subscribers, it don't look good. You get me? It don't look good, especially in a time like this with the whole COVID-19 thing around. You see me? Let me explain before I say anything else. This video, it's out on social media, and according to what has been said about this video on social media, and according to some of the things that I've seen and heard in the video as well, it would seem as if this female had been accused of selling fake sanitary products. You understand? Like Lysol or bleach. You get what I say to you? Yeah, those kind of products where, you know, if you sanitize you and sanitize the place, them around you and so forth. You see what I say to you? Alright. Now, looking at viewers and subscribers, you know, if this is true, you know, something like this can happen anywhere in the world, you know. So therefore, you know, when we bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, to make sure that you can see what I want, and to also make you know, say, be careful of these things. You understand me? Yeah, just be careful, be vigilant, keep your eyeball them open. You understand me? And I like say me don't know about them things, you know, because I know say fake things out there and so forth. So me I say to you, but in this time here right now, with this coronavirus thing what go on right now, really and truly, I want to keep on the eyeball them open. You see me I say to you? Yeah, because me can't believe it, no? Because look what going on all over the world right now. You see me I say? Like look what going on in the world. And you know, for persons I do something like this right now, while this are going on the world, you see me? So basically you buy this a fake, you know, fake bleach or fake alcohol or so forth, and you know, you go up on the road and come home and swear blind, say yeah, come home, come sanitize yourself before you go touch anything, and then you take a stop, you use these things that are not good, and then when you go use it now, you come home and go touch somebody, or go touch something where somebody else go touch, you see me? And them get anything where you pick up on the road, I hit you, bring come give them, because in your mind you swear say these things where you use it a work. That's the way you think, you know. You see me? Not realizing say fake products you are using, you know. You see me? So the germs you think you wash off of your hand, that the germs don't wash off of your hand, you know. You understand? In a time like this with the COVID-19, fake sanitary products are circulate or a sell. You see me? Persons really try to make a profit off of something like that in a this way, in a demo time, yeah? Eh? Now, so they look bad, man. They really look bad, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Look, I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, because I want to take a look on this video and to keep on up to date and posted, and I want to know what going out there, and to make sure I'm telling you, say, be vigilant, be careful, keep on the eyeball them open. You see me I say? Yeah, and you can also tell me what you think about what you have seen in this video as well. Alright? Yeah, alright. So, you know, yeah, well, I have some left with no viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah, I just saw you guys. It's just that, you know, me look on the video and I really and truly can't believe what I really and truly I see. Me I set up myself, say, yo, in a demo time, yeah. But anyways, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.